Okay, so right here beside me I've got the RockArmor 12 volt rice cooker. Now I'm going to show you guys how to use the product, but as well as that I'm going to show you guys a hack that I found which can cook the rice within 40 minutes using 12 volt power. Now if you were to cook the rice using the standard rice cooker function button using 12 volt power, it will take up to 2 hours for it to cook. However, I found a hack, and that will be using the noodle option with a timer mode activated, and that's only going to take 40 minutes. So I've added 2 cups of rice and I've added approximately 3 cups of water. So the time is exactly 3 o'clock, and we're going to put it onto my dual battery box I've got over there, and hopefully within 40 minutes this will be cooked. Okay, so I've connected up my rice cooker up to my 12 volt battery. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you guys quickly how to use it using rice cooker option, but today we're going to be cooking using the noodle option. Being a smart rice cooker, it's going to give you 4 different cooking variations to cook with. Not just the normal rice cooking option you'll find on every generic rice cooker. So, to choose rice, you'd hit function and just press start. Now you'll know it will take up to 2 hours for this to cook. However, today we're going to cheat and we're going to use the noodle option. So, I'm going to cancel that. We're going to hit function 3 times, that'll hit us up to noodles, and we're going to set our timer up to 40 minutes. Okay, now we're going to hit start. So it is exactly 3:05, and at 3:45 we'll check the rice again. Okay, so the rice cooker stopped, it's been 40 minutes. The time is now 3:45, we actually started at 3:05. So I'm gonna unplug it and see if we've got cooked rice. Oop, there you go. Okay, so we got cooked rice. So exactly 40 minutes, guys. Let's give that a bit of a taste. It's hot. And that's cooked. So there you go, guys, the 12 volt rice cooker does work. My hack does work as well. You got cooked rice within 40 minutes. Would I take one out on my next camping trip? I definitely would. Seeing that I only use 1 gas burner, I can be cooking all my other ingredients on the gas burner while my rice is cooking on the side using 12 volt power.